Hey, it's Heather and I'm making a little quick lunch here. I was canning some pizza sauce today, so that's what I'm going to incorporate into my lunch. I thought I would share it with you. First, I'd already sliced my bread because I was about to eat lunch, and then I was like, oh, this is a good little quick lunch. Let me share. Anyway, so I already sliced my bread. This is just some sourdough bread that I made, but of course, use any kind of bread. We're just gonna let that toast. And I'm gonna cut up some spinach really small and grate some cheese. It wasn't like I was planning on this today, so I don't have mozzarella. What I have is cheddar, white cheddar, so that's what I'm gonna use. You could use any kind of cheese that you wanted. And you could put other things on it. I'm just gonna throw some spinach on there because I don't have time for all that today, but I wanted to put some kind of vegetable on it, right? Okay, I want my bread really toasty, like really crunchy toasty. That way the sauce won't make it too mushy. Okay, so see, ow, hot, super crunchy, ow, hot. Okay, and this is the pizza sauce I was canning up. Well, I'm actually still canning it, but I'm taking a break while the hot water bath is going, you know. And eating me some lunch. So I'm gonna put my pizza sauce on here. And then you could put whatever you wanted to on top, but this is what I'm doing today. Just spinach. Oh, might have put too much. Oh well, I'm gonna put it all on there. Mash it down, and then I'm gonna put some cheese on top. Gotta have cheese with pizza. Pizza bread. Anyway, there. I'm gonna put it back in here and melt the cheese. So it's going back in there, melt the cheese, and then it's gonna be ready. And I'm gonna use the same plate that I cut my spinach and cheese up on, because why dirty up more stuff, right? That's why I did this instead of cutting it. Okay, so the cheese has melted and it's ready. So that's it. Quick, easy, delicious, healthy lunch. Anybody can do it. Just a few ingredients. Alrighty, so I'm going to eat lunch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.